All right, so welcome back. In this video, we're going to try and answer a question using Python. All right, so let me get into my Sublime text. Here is the question. The question says, define a function that calculates the sum of all numbers from 0 to its argument. All right, so what this simply means is, let's say we create a function called summation. If we pass in an argument of 10, what this function will do is add the numbers from 0 up to 10. So it means it's going to add 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Yeah, so the total will be 55. Right, so this is the function that we have to create. So let's get down to work. Okay, so obviously we need to define a function. So in Python, we use all lowercase def keyword, and then we're going to name our function. This is arbitrary, but you can choose a descriptive word to name your function. So it's going to take in an argument when you are using it. So I'm going to pass in a parameter of x. And then down here, obviously, Python works with indentation, right, to demarcate the code block. All right, so over here, what we're going to do is, right, so I'm going to create a variable here called result. That's the first thing I have to do. And then the next thing I have to do is use a for loop. I will say for num in range, the range that I want to go is the range of x. However, as you guys would remember, the range function will go up to the number just before the specified number. For instance, if I put in a 10 here, the range function will go up to 9. But, you know, this function wants us to go up to 10. So what we can do is we can say x plus 1. We want the result. We want to assign the result to be equal to the result plus the num. Okay, plus this num over here. And then eventually, after we finish doing that, we want to return the result, just like this. Okay, so we're done. Let me take this back. We have done this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. 5 lines of code, and you know, we have properly indented everything. All right, so this is inside this summation function, and this is inside the for loop. Okay, you need to be clear about your indentation in Python, otherwise it will break everything. All right, so on line number 11, I'm going to call this function. We can assign it to a variable, or we can directly just use it using the print function. So I'm going to use the print function, and then I'm going to call summation inside there, and then I'm going to pass in a number. So initially we say 10 will give us a 55. Let's check if this is so. Okay, so if I run this, you'll see down here I have a 55, 20. So if I save and run, you see I get a 210 from 0 to 200. You can calculate, you can see I get a 20,100. All right, so I want to thank you for your time. Hope to see you in our next video. For now, I'm out. Bye-bye.